Hey guys, Jason here for Chart Guys, doing a follow-up video on MGI. If you don't know what the Chart Guys is, a great community of 1,000+ technical analysts. We look at charts all the time. We talk about this stuff nonstop. We're pretty much obsessed with it. We love it, and I encourage you to check it out. If you like charts, you're going to find a home with us. On MGI, we talked about a couple scenarios. We're looking at a continuation of the weekly chart, and what we were looking for was either a pullback and rejection from our EMA 26 and our EMA 12. So our 12 is our blue line here, which would result in more downside, or we were going to keep on plowing through and set a higher low on the daily time frame. I thought this was a less likely scenario, but we set up a couple options. So what those look like are on the 4 and 1 hour time frame. We talked about holding 402 as an important level, and we also looked at on the hourly time frame 421 as an important level. It was a double top during trading yesterday, and the break of one of those levels was going to set in the precedent for the rest of the day. Really, if we were going to break 421, that was going to be a higher high on the hourly time frame and a resumption of the hourly uptrend. And if we lost 402, that was going to be the loss of our 4-hour higher lows, which would be bearish and significant for more downside. And what did we do? We broke that 421, pretty much out of the gate. On the 5-minute time frame this morning, we saw a lot of strength. And where are we here? So here's our double top from yesterday. Early in the morning, we get a quick run right to that level, pull back very quickly, bulls step in, break 421, set the precedent, and then we get a nice high, 435, massively overbought. We see a 5-minute downtrend. We establish a base of support around 416, which ended up holding for the rest of the day. We get a major double top at 422, and we keep setting higher lows. 418 held as a support for the rest of the afternoon until finally the dam broke, 422. We saw another pop to the upside, 432. Again, overbought on the 5-minute time frame, and that's pretty much all she wrote. So what was the key to this one? It was recognizing what our trends were, what the most likely scenarios were, and how we could have recognized what was in play early in the morning. Had we broken 402, I think it would be pretty much the opposite of this action, a quick sell-off, a 5-minute oversold bounce into a channel, and then further downside. And this was strong, even though the market was relatively indecisive today, so that is a good signal. So what are we looking for continuation for tomorrow? Well, that's the next step, isn't it? So what we're going to do is take a look at our hourly time frame. We've established that we are setting higher lows. As long as we stay above EMA 26, that's going to be in good shape. And I think this is our last higher low, 416. So bulls need to stay above 416. I want to see us take out 435. Yesterday's high of day, that would be good for upside continuation, and I'd like to see that happen tomorrow early if we can, and then set a new higher low on the hourly time frame. Again, anything over 416 is going to be perfect for the bulls long term. 4-hour time frame is in good shape. We still need to establish a new high again over 435. That will look very good. So that is what my target is for now. On the hourly time frame, if we lose 416, then we're going to be looking at an hourly trend change. Then we'll look at a lower high under this what is our level here? 432, and that will have us shifting our interest to the bear side. Anyway, that's it for today. Actually, I should talk about targets. If we do get a good break over 435, the next real resistance on the daily and 4-hour time frame is going to be $4.60. So pretty good play setting up. We'll see if the bulls have what it takes to get through this tomorrow.